my name is Elliot Flinsky. I'm an RA at Court 17, and today I'll be showing you the one-bedroom rooms, typically two-person, though now during COVID, just one. And kind of right off the bat, you can see it is a lot more spacious, thanks to the layout, than you'd think for a normal one-bedroom room. You have the kind of dining living room with a either east or west facing view. This one with east, so you get a lovely morning. And you can see kitchen. You have a full fridge and freezer, an oven, and a microwave, along with a dishwasher, sink, so you don't have to worry. You have a full, nice, lovely kitchen. With the living room, you have one desk per student, though if you're moving in during the pandemic, it will be 2 desks for you. And one smaller couch. So some of the larger rooms have larger couches, as well as washer and dryer, and even more closet space behind each of these doors. And coming into your bathroom, toilet, sink, and shower. So all the space you need and all the utilities you need for a nice bathroom. And then coming into the bedroom, 1 bed per person, though maybe 2 beds for you, as well as a nice sizable walk-in closet. And that is it for the one-person bedrooms. Thank you for watching.